Hi guys, the question is the point P which divides the line segment joining the point A 2, -5 and B 5, 2 lies in the ratio 2:3 quadrant. So now to answer this question we must determine the coordinates of point P and then identify their quadrant. So now let's answer this question. In order to answer this question, we must first initially draw the diagram. So I am given a line segment AB where A has the coordinates 2 and -5 and B has the coordinates 5 and 2. I am given a point P which divides the line segment into 2:3 ratio. So now to find the coordinates of P, I will be multiplying the ratios with the opposite coordinates and getting their sum, determining it with the sum of the ratio. That is, I will be multiplying 2 with B's x coordinate 5 and I will be multiplying 3 with A's x coordinate 2. Then I will be taking their sum and I will be dividing it by the sum of ratio, that is 2 plus 3. Similarly for the y coordinate, I will be multiplying 2 with B's y coordinate 2 and I will be multiplying 3 with A's y coordinate -5. Then I will be taking their sum and then I will be dividing them by the sum of ratios, that is 2 plus 3. So both the points can be further simplified as 10 plus 6 upon 5 and 4 minus 15 upon 5. So now on further solving, we get the points 16 upon 5 and minus 11 upon 5. This tells us that this point clearly lies in the quadrant 4 and thus the correct answer is option D.